Hi friends, in this video I will discuss about curry leaves plants caring tips in the winter. So if you see here, this is my curry leaves plants. It has so many baby plants. Now I am not going to touch any of these baby plants. I will leave them as it is in the pot. The leaves will drop off during the winter time, but again these plants will start growing and they will start giving new leaves. That time I will replant them. So now I am not going to touch any of these baby plants. I will keep them as it is in the pot. And I am going to add some more soil, because if you see, there is a lot of gap on the top and even my roots are visible outside little bit. So I am going to add some more soil to this pot. On top of that, what I am going to do is, if you see here, I have so many leaves on the plant. I am going to leave all the bottom leaves and I will leave some 2-3 leaves only for every stem on the top. Because even if you didn't pluck out all the leaves, after few days, even if you keep in the garage and if you keep in the under the grow lights, the leaves will drop. So I am going to remove all the matured leaves from the plant. Okay, so now I added soil. I removed the all the leaves which are not going to help anything and they will drop after some days. So I am going to leave all those leaves. Now I have given enough water after adding the soil to my pot. I will give a lot of water until make sure that all soil in the pot is wet. Now I will place this plant in the garage, because until now I didn't put any grow lights for my curry leaves plants. I kept directly in the garage because of the you can see the how big stem it is. This is 8 years old big plant. That's why my stems are so strong. Just leaves will drop, but my plant will be survived so nicely even without lights. But if your plant is small and your stem is small and not many years plant, you have to keep in the garage or in the house and you have to add grow lights mandatory. Okay, what tips you have to do before keeping inside? Added more soil, left the baby plants as is, removed all the leaves from the plant. Then what I am going to do is, like I kept after that I will fully watered my plant. Means I will do with the pipe, with the pipe spray. Okay, with push I will wet my plant completely. Okay, and I will let it dry. Okay, my first frost date is November 2nd as per the Google zone details. So I still have 1 month, almost like 25 days time. So I will remove all the leaves and I will water my plant fully. I will add more soil and I will do all those steps to my plant. Then before 2-3 days before I am keeping my plant inside, I will water completely wet my plant and make sure that there were no pests on the plants. Okay, now I kept inside the garage. Now what steps I have to do? I have to add water, okay, every 1 week to 10 days once only, because there won't be any direct sunlight, water won't be evaporating. So I am not going to water every day or day after day. I am going to water every 10 days once. That is first thing. And I will make sure that if any bugs were there, I will try to remove with the hand as much as possible. But I don't see any bugs so far in my plants. And I won't give any rice water or any buttermilk when the plant is inside the house, because if you add any of the rice water or buttermilk, there is a possibility the white fly bugs will start forming and they will destroy the roots, they will spoil the plant stems and they will destroy the leaves. Every damage they are going to do it. So I am not going to give any rice water and buttermilk when I kept the plant inside. Okay, and I will make sure that when I kept the plant inside, watering, I said that 10 days once we have to water it. Okay, and I make sure that there is no insects or bugs on the plant. So and I will make sure that if required I will you have to add grow light for sure. Even if you are keeping in the sun room, you have to keep the grow light. Okay, That is one of the important thing. Okay, and I think these are the only main important points we have to consider. Don't give any fertilizer now for the plant. I still have 1 more month. I am going to add new healthy soil that is going to provide required fertilizer. So don't give any other fertilizers now for the plant. You can give the fertilizers when it is going to when it is moving out in the spring time. That time you can give the fertilizer. Thank you. If you have any questions still on your curry leaves plant caring tips during the winter time, please reach out to me. Thank you.